Good morning. We are the team of
Sophia, Ilya.
Javier, and we are going to talk about the Syria conflict.
The Syria conflict is an ongoing multi-sided armed conflict in Syria, both primarily between the government of the President Bashar al-Assad and its allies and various forces opposing them. It all started when some children painted a graffiti which was opposing the government, and then the government acted and fight them, and some of the guys were killed. That's why the rebels formed, and they responded bad to the government. And this conflict is between the soldiers who support the Syrian president, which are the government, and the fighters who are known as rebels, which are in the part of the children and all the people that want justice for them, and the group that calls themselves Islamic State, which is the ones that are trying to help and doing a lot of stuff.
What does the UN do? Well, the UN is working on negotiation to end the war, and they have been trying to do conference or treaties with them, but they haven't get to
accomplish anything, because it's really hard for them to put them in something that would benefit the both of them, because both parts are in anger with each other, so it's hard.
And they all want different things, and one thing that they want to oppose the other, so it's
yeah. There are also a lot other organizations, but the UN is the one who has more prestige.
The present day, more than 250,000 people died in this conflict, and more than 74,000 were civils and 14,000 were kids. The war in Syria has caused a large number of casualties of innocent people not participating in the conflict. With this, it's clear that a lot of innocent people die because the problem that have with the war, and you need the amount that will be needed to rebuild the country after the war is $3 million, and the conflict has destroyed public and private heritage with bombings and other attacks of war.
We think that the solution, we think there are two. The first one is that the nations should get all together and try to get there by a pacific way, and try to do a treaty where they agree that maybe if the Islamic people want some land, they give them to them, but they have to let the other people be in peace. And other, it could be that if they don't accept that, they can get there by a not pacific way and just catch or trap them and kill them.
But it's more difficult that because there are a lot of.
But it's kind of really hard to have a solution, to get to the solution. And that's why a lot of people is traveling and migrating, and with the countries that are in the side surround them, like Jordania and
Jordan, Turkey.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Mexico.
Okay.